equals 0. Can I draw a line straight through it? Yes. And does my Ca have lone pair? No. So that means that it's going to be nonpolar and it's a straight line, linear. All right. H2O. Even if you're just still struggling here, you've seen H2O so many times, okay? And you always see it like this. But Miss Munson, I thought that if I have an oxygen, more than likely I'm going to have a double bond. I agree with you, except this is a hydrogen. Hydrogen can only have 2 electrons for its valence. So look at that. There's 2 here. He cannot have any more. I cannot do a double bond. This hydrogen has 2. He cannot have any more. Now let's come over here, and we didn't do our numbers like we did over here. So let's do that. Hydrogen has 1. Hydrogen has 1. Oxygen has 6. 6, 7, 8. I've used 2, 4. Take away 4 equals 4 left over. I have 4 more electrons I need to use, and I cannot add them to the hydrogen. So I'm going to add them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And because of those, not only 1, but 2 sets of lone pair of electrons on my Ca, they shove the hydrogen so far out of the way that it comes over here, and this shape is called bent. Can I do a line through it? I could, but I don't care if I have 1, if I have 2, if I have 3 sets of lone pair of electrons. If I have any lone pair of electrons on my Ca, then automatically it is a polar bond. Okay? Alrighty, we're almost done with homework number 3. Let's finish this off over here. Well, we're going to go ahead and write our compounds. We're going to make a formula from it. And so when we do that, then we need to go ahead and write our oxidation number so we can crisscross them. Iron is a +3. Permanganate is a polyatomic, which is a -1. Lead is a +4. Oxygen is a -2. Sodium is a +1. Dichromate is a polyatomic, which is a -2. Sodium +1. Nitrate -1. Cobalt +3. Nitrogen -3. Magnesium +2. And phosphate, which is a polyatomic, is a -3. Okay, remember our rules. Metals go first. And if I have a nonmetal and polyatomic, then the polyatomic goes first. Okay? Then, don't forget the other rule. When I'm bonding them, I need to reduce. So 3 and 1 cannot reduce. 4 and 2, reduce. So to reduce a 4 and 2, this is going to become a 2, and this is going to become a 1. 1 and 2, no. 1 and 1, I mean, it's already reduced as far as it can go. 3 and 3, I can reduce that. This is going to become a 1, and this is going to become a 1. 2 and 3, I cannot reduce. So there are 2 of them that I must reduce, and that's what it's going to look like when I reduce them. Now we're going to crisscross, and iron, which is going to be Fe. Permanganate is a polyatomic, and the 3 is going to come over, so I'm going to need my parentheses. Mn, oops, sorry, lowercase n, I apologize. Mn, O4, parentheses 3. The 2 comes over the 1, PbO2. The 2 and the 1. The 1 goes over to the polyatomic, so in that case then, Na2, no parentheses, Cr2O7. Sodium Na, crisscross those, nitrate NO3. We reduced it down to a 1 and 1, so cobalt, CON, magnesium, The 3 is going to cross over, Mg3. The 2 goes to the phosphate, which is a polyatomic. So I need to have my parentheses, PO4, close parentheses, 2. Okay, so now we finished with homework number 3, all the way the front and back side. I'm going to take pictures. I hope this helps out a little bit more. If you're still having trouble, maybe you should go back and print out some more blank homeworks and try them again. Practice over and over and over is the only thing that's going to make you better at this. Alrighty, have a great day.